How to make pasta primavera on the Nuwave Duracore 6-quart Dutch oven. Begin by first preheating the Dutch oven on a cooktop. Add oil into the pot. Then add onions and garlic and sauté for about 3 minutes. Then add cherry tomatoes and cook them until they are soft. Add in the pasta and pour in the broth. Then bring the contents to a boil. Be sure to stir occasionally. Next, add zucchini and add broccoli. Reduce the heat to let the pasta simmer in the pot uncovered. Add salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese, and stir the pot thoroughly. Finally, mix in the chopped basil. Once finished, transfer the pasta onto a dish, and the pasta primavera is now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.